How to add gift card to Uber Eats. If you have been using the Uber Eats application and wondering on how to add gift card on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Uber Eats application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now you need to ensure you have the latest version of the app installed. Now tap onto account icon at the bottom, select it, then select wallet from the menu, just right here, tap on it. Now simply tap on to add payment method. And from here you can simply choose gift card from the list of options which is right here, select it. Now enter your gift card without spaces and tap add. Once added, the gift card balance will be credited to your Uber Cash and can be used for the Uber Eats orders. And that's it. This is how you can add gift card to Uber Eats. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.